Hey family, welcome back to a new vlog and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm taking you along with me on a hosting gig. Before the panny, when we used to have events, I used to host a lot. So this is the first time in a long time. Also update on the African Pride gel. It's a no for me, dog, okay? I tried it again. My hair did not have definition. It was dry and crusty. Not for me. Okay, so enjoy this vlog. This is the stage for today. That's the festival. This is the backstage where it all happens. Boom, boom, boom. And then this where I come in. This where she come in. The stage. Your girl. Am I in focus? I'm not in focus. Your girl. Hallo. Welkom bij Uit Verrast. Nou, vandaag gaan we het lekker gezellig maken. We gaan het lekker op een andere manier doen. Ik zal me even voorstellen. Hallo, mijn naam is Minerva Joy. Ik ben influencer en host. Zijn jullie ready voor dans? Oké, jullie zijn semi-ready. Hey guys, so we in action right now. We in the backstage, Okay, so I'm gonna, I don't know how to say this in English, okay? They're gonna come off the stage. I'm gonna thank them, and then I'm gonna tell the people who's going on next. I can say it in Dutch, but I forgot all the words in English, so yeah, we do that. En nu ben ik benieuwd, zijn er kids in the house? Ik zie ze hier zo, want jullie wachten op Peppa Pig, hè? Oké. Nou. Hello. Today is Tuesday, and today is a very surprising day. Life is lifing in the best way. So today I think it's like 25, maybe 27 degrees, so it's hot for the Netherlands. So my plan for today was actually to get up early and go to work and work all day, and then have like some fun with a friend and then go home. But I was not able to get up until like I think 10 o'clock, and I wanted to get up at 7. But it's such nice weather that when I was riding to the office, I was just like, I can't. I physically, like every part of me was just like, no, I don't want to go, I don't want to work, because I was just gonna edit my life away. So I'm driving to the beach, and I'm just like, you know what, let's go to the beach today. The friend that I was gonna have some fun with, she also texted me to go to the beach. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the beach. But like I said, I wasn't prepared, so I'm not really dressed for the beach. I mean, can you see? I'm wearing a dress, so that's not bad for the beach, but I don't feel like it's beach weather. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna buy some really cheap flowy clothing that's just gonna help me get through the day. Hopefully like a t-shirt or something like that, and we're gonna get beach ready. Let's do that. I'm excited. It's a dress. Like I walk in, I immediately see this. It's a cute dress. Can you see me in the reflection? I found this cute maxi dress for €5, which is really nice. So I bought this maxi dress, which is a lot more airy than what I was wearing, and I bought like it's actually a tablecloth, but it was €3 just to sit on it, and off to the beach we go. Okay, so I'm thinking I don't have anything to give me some shade. They have these little thingies which aren't doing much of anything, but I'm wondering how much would it be to get one of those. Since it's the Netherlands, it's probably gonna be hella expensive, because a lot of things here, like you get a little bit, but you pay a lot. So what I think I'm gonna do, you see the shade that this umbrella is giving? I'm just gonna sit behind it. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so here I am. I'm exactly in the shade of this thing. Can you see it? Let's see how long I'm gonna be able to stay here before anybody tells me to leave. I think we might just be able to pull it off. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually just gonna sit here and kind of plan out what I want to do with content for YouTube, like this channel, but also my Dutch channel. That's what I'm gonna do. I've been feeling really lost and uninspired, and other than these vlogs, I don't know what type of content excites me right now at the moment, let alone what you guys want to see. So I'm just gonna think about it, and I don't know how far I'm gonna come, but let's see. Okay, who y'all got? Y'all got left or right? I got left. Left gonna win. Left gonna win. Look, 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 look. Oh no 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 no. Maybe right's gonna win. No, I got that team. That team gonna win. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Okay. Left holding on strong, left holding on strong. Okay, y'all got this, y'all got this. Come on, team. Bring it home. Bring it home. Mush 'em. Mush 'em. Come on, come on. Yeah, they got it, they got it. Yeah, boy. I have no idea who y'all are, but I always believed in you. Okay, cool. So I was thinking, why not take you along with me in what I'm trying to figure out. So I thought that I was gonna write down what type of video ideas I wanted or what type of topics, but I already really kind of know what I want to do. I want to vlog more. You're watching a vlog, so I don't know if you guys are enjoying the vlogs. I want to vlog more. It takes some getting used to. I want to do more reaction videos, like relationship and pep talk type of videos, and more like get ready with me. And then hair, everything that's hair related, I kind of want to do it in my vlogs themselves, or like maybe dedicated videos, because I'm still trying to figure out how am I gonna do the hair content. I'm also thinking of live streaming, so if you have ideas, let me know. But other than that, I just wanted to take like a look inwards, like what are the videos that I'm watching, who am I watching, why am I watching them, what videos do I not watch or not watch all the way. Maybe that way I'll figure out what I like, and then if I know what I like, it'll bring me closer to kind of figure out what you guys like, because I very often ask, like, let me know what you like, let me know what you're feeling, and then I don't get a lot of reaction yet. I do know that people want more of the plus size fashion videos, because that is feedback that I have gotten. The only thing is money. That's the only thing, but I'm also gonna invest in that as well. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I noticed that the people that I gravitate towards, they have personality, they're very expressive. I'm also starting to gravitate more towards glow up type people that, this sounds so cliche, people are so talking about main character energy, and I notice that I gravitate towards people who are a lot more feminine, people who are kind of like boss ladies. For example, I started watching, like I think this summer alone, I started watching first Only Bells, and then Aaliyah's Face. Like Only Bells, I love her consistency, I love her vlogs more than anything, and I just binge watch all her vlogs. But she's also very intentional with her vlogs, and as I grow, I'm sure that I'll get a hang of that. And then there's Aaliyah's Face, and my husband always says that her vlogs are like movies. but I still watch them. Like she can make like a 1 to 2 hour vlog and I'll still watch it. Same with Arnell. Arnell, she can upload like, I think this week's vlog is like 1 hour and 40 minutes, and I know I'm gonna watch it all the way. So for me it's like, what are they doing, what are they putting out there that I gravitate towards, that I actually like? What is the thing that I want to put out there? So that's what I'm doing right now. I probably won't get the hang of it immediately, but I have to be consistent. I'm also gonna start trying to wake up early. I might not do 5 o'clock yet, but I might try a 6 o'clock. Today I wanted to wake up at 7. I already told you that didn't work. Let's not talk about it. So I'm thinking of waking up, working my way up to 6 o'clock, and then getting like editing and work done before everything else starts, like really starts. Oh yeah, by the way, got my nails done. Don't know what I feel about them yet, but anyway, yeah. So that's what I am thinking. I really want to get a handle on things. I don't want to overwork myself, because the last few years I've just been overworking myself a lot, because I just feel like I have something to prove. I feel like I have somewhere I want to be, and yeah, not getting there sucks. But I also overwork myself, which is a thing. So I want to try not to overwork myself this year when it comes to like the holiday season, when it comes to like October to December. I don't want to overwork myself. I actually want to enjoy what I'm doing, and I want to be proud of myself. So that's where we are right now. I'll catch up with you later. Maybe if my friend comes and she wants to be on camera, I'll film her. I don't know what we're gonna do, but we shall see. People are really hype. Okay, so guys, the guy who has to come and charge people for like beds and umbrellas actually came, and he didn't say anything. So I guess we're staying here. Life hack: if you want to be in the shade on the beach but you don't want to pay like the crazy prices, because I heard people like who are from other countries complaining about the prices. If you don't want to pay the crazy prices for like a bed, just put your blanket behind the beds and then you have shade. Life hack! Let me show you. I like this. I like being smart. Okay, so I'm here with Fabi. Hey girl. Hey girl. This is the Fabi that did my eyebrows for the Cosmo shoot. So, hi. How you doing? I'm good. Tell the people about your skills, girl. Makeup extraordinaire.
You can follow me on Instagram, no joke.
I'm gonna put her Instagram name over here. You can follow her. If you live in the Netherlands, you can get your makeup done.
I'm trying not to laugh though. You know
why not?
I just told you.
Embrace yourself, girl.
So we are chilling at the beach. All dressed up.
All dressed up. Look at you, Prego. Look at me with my 5-year-old dress. I mean, no, it's really super chill today. So yeah, that's enough of the camera in our faces. I'll see you later. Oh, okay.
Follow me on Insta.
Follow her on Instagram.
I cannot. Kijk, zo kijken ze.
That's weird.